Connor, Sam.
That's from Grandma Paul. Let's see what this is. Oh, Peter Rabbit. You know. It says Eli. It says Connor. Pull it all out. Well, then we'll sort it. Nope, I think those are Amanda's. These are yours. They look exactly alike. There you go.
Oh.
Connor. The bunny. This is from Grandma Paul. Oh, we have a part too. And this is Amanda's. Because that kind of looks like something she'd wear. Cool. Oh, you're gonna color on it? Is that what you're doing? Uh-huh. You loving your bunny? You love your bunny? You like your bunny, Ray? Okay.
You gonna sleep with them tonight?
Wanna sleep with your bunny? A wonderful son and daughter. But on a day goes by without one thoughts of you both. Today brings a special chance to say how much it means to have you to love. Have a beautiful Easter and a happy spring. Love you both very much, Mom. Real pretty card.
Cool.
Sparkly. Alright, let's open yours. You want to open yours too? Let's see, Eli or Connor. There you go. Grandson, you're extra fun, you're extra smart too. And a boy doesn't get any cooler than you.
Connor is pretty cool.
He is pretty cool, pretty smart too. Hey. Okay, yes, we'll open yours. Here, I got you. Open. Oh, I see a bunny ribbon. For a special grandson. Open it. The Easter Bunny will be seeing you soon. Sure wish I could too. Oh, happy Easter with lots of love. Yeah, it's yours.
Yay.
Yay. Snuggle Bunny. Snuggle Bunny. Boy. Alright, it's about time for you to take a bath.